side, set to go. Good luck on your pick 5 choices. Standby for a dispatch at 1,200 meters distance. And now, undercover magic wallet will run as the top choice. It's racing time. We've got Runner 5A, Magic Wallet, draws for your lead, moving up down the inside stone ladder, rushing up on the outside is Apple Island as they race towards the half mile pole. Magic Wallet, Apple Island, moving up down on the inside and grabbing the lead as they race towards the 600. Apple Island leading the field this time by about 2 lengths. Magic Wallet in second, undercover moving up down on the inside. Wafu, the King, Sangat Island comes next. His Stone Ladder and My Loving Wife. As they race for home, Apple Island, the one to catch up, enjoying a 2 lengths lead, running now in second, undercover, Sangat Island, Wafu, the King in between runners, but Apple Island still leading the field, Wafu, the King, Sangat Island lifting down on the inside, but Wafu, the King, winning the race over Apple Island, Sangat Island, then comes undercover. Loving Wife, Sola.